If you listen intently, all of this is designed with you in mind. We designed all of this to make your life better, easier, and give you the tools to build on your success.
The focus is about us leaders. And again, this is where our advisors and managers take the courage and hope because they look upon us.
Strength in numbers!
Proud to be AXA! Everyone recruits!
Don't ask for success without challenges because that will never happen. Instead, ask for the strength to overcome challenges to be successful. Choose how the fire will affect you. Malulugmok ka ba or you will use it as motivation?
And I'm extremely happy that we are, starting a new chapter with this year of 2022 with a lot of hope, with a lot of excitement, and I'm really very, very hopeful that this indeed will be a very big turnaround year for all of us.
Actually, ang tanong ko ulit sa inyo, mga branches, dito sa Sopitan at Jampo, ano ang trip mo?
For every branch that we're creating, dapat meron tayong mission and vision in every aspect of being the most professional agency group in the industry or in the country today.
The rule of the majority is not always right, sabi nga ni Joe.
Always believe and have confidence of what you can achieve.
And I'm really very hopeful that in the next few months and the years to come, we will definitely be writing a new chapter in the history of AXA Philippines and in the history of AXA Agency.
As of the first half of 2021, last year, we are still the #1 fastest growing agency in the country today.
Everyone recruit!
Everyone recruit! So we continue to rise above the ashes and be stronger than ever. Congratulations to all of you because we are one strong AXA Agency family. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.
At times, there will be fire. This we cannot avoid. But it is up to us to decide whether it will consume us or will it empower us. Just like what Paul Roken said, the choice is yours. Choose always to think, ano ang impact of the fire to your life? Just like the phoenix, you can rise from the ashes.
The Phoenix teaches us that nothing is truly lost. Wala naman talagang nawala. But it is simply transforming.